extend my warmest congratulations to the graduates of the Wicos Helping Hand Learning Center. To our dear graduates, your journey has prepared you to be leaders, innovators, and change makers. So I'd like to greet likewise Justin Shun. And as you step into the world, remember that you carry the hopes of the dreams of your families, your communities, and our beloved country. Embrace the responsibility that comes with your new role. Use your knowledge to uplift the skills of your communities. Defend your country and uphold the values that divide us Filipinos. Maraming salamat po at congratulations once again to the graduates of the Wicos Helping Hand Learning Center. May your journey ahead be filled with success, fulfillment, and joy in making a difference. This is Senator Francis Tolentino. Mabuhay po kayo.
It's a hammer of justice. It's a bell of freedom. It's a song about love between the brothers and the sisters. Oh.